was actually on my 5-step millionaire plan. And so I teach 5 steps on becoming a millionaire. I can validate it and verify it. Ask me how? Well, you just got to get close to me to know. But I know what I'm talking about. Anyway, because I don't want to be flexing on this video, I really came on here to flex information, flex education and awareness to you that, number one, you don't just have to want to be a millionaire. Because for years I wanted to be a millionaire until I realized that I could be and that I was going to be. And what really changed that was just the information that I got exposed to, the systems and the processes that I decided to implement and execute. And really the psychology behind it was like the mindset that I had to adopt, and like the belief system I had to adopt, and the muscle I had to build, and the daily disciplines of denying and delaying gratification financially, and to just live a certain quality of life and not to change that until I hit a certain financial threshold. Man, I've been through it. And here's the crazy thing. My wife and I have been married and full-time entrepreneurs for 18 years, and it really took me the first 15 years to figure that out. I'm serious. Like, the first 15 years of our marriage, we were doing good. We were making money. We were living good. The quality of our life was not compromised at all, because me and my wife, we work hard and we grind. But it was just really the last 3.5. So anyway, if you want to learn my 5-step millionaire plan, if you want to become the next blueprint millionaire from somebody who has proven that you can come from below the bottom, I'm talking about below the bottom with no handouts, not knowing the right people, not getting somebody to give you a lift. There are no strings attached. Okay, there's no rabbit that somebody pulled out the bag. It ain't like somebody gave me a key or somebody knocked on the door and opened. I'm telling you, I got it from the muscle. But a lot of these things that I had to figure out are things that most people never figure out, because there's so much that you got to bring together to make it make sense to even begin that journey. So anyway, click the link and learn more about how we're helping people put themselves in a financial position to not just be financially stable and free, but to really be millionaires. And it's harder than what we think, but it's really easier than what we think once we get access to the right information. I'm making it available for my people, so my people ain't gonna have no excuse on why they couldn't be successful. I heard somebody say something like this. I heard them say, might have been a quote or a tweet or some meme. They said, it's not your fault how you were born, but it's definitely your fault how you die. Like, meaning, I get the point behind it that, okay, I can't blame my mom and them because I was born broke. I ain't gonna blame them, whatever. It ain't my fault. I didn't ask to come here. I'm here, right? But how I leave here, and even how I live while I'm here, it's gonna have a lot to do with what I'm willing to invest my time, my resources, my money, my energy in order to become a millionaire, become a better version of myself, become whatever I want to become. So click the link, take a look at the stuff that we're doing. And I have so many other programs that I'm getting ready to launch. So look forward to hearing from you. All you have to do is text the word millionaire to 404-478-7213. And me and one of my team members will be more than happy to walk you through the process of what you need to do to get onboarded and start your millionaire journey today.